I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Karseell Collagen hair mask. First, make sure your hair is freshly washed and gently towel dried. This allows the mask to penetrate deeply and work its magic effectively. Take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mask, depending on your hair length and thickness. Warm it slightly between your palms before applying. This simple preparation ensures you get the most out of every application. Now, let's talk about application. Divide your hair into several sections to make sure every strand gets treated. Begin applying the mask from the mid-lengths down to the ends, as these areas often need the most nourishment. You can use a wide tooth comb to help distribute the product evenly. Remember to be gentle as you work the mask through your hair, ensuring full saturation. Once applied, it's time to let the mask do its work. Leave the Karseell Collagen hair mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. For an extra boost of hydration, you can cover your hair with a shower cap. This helps to trap heat and enhance absorption. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are gone and your hair feels clean and soft. After rinsing, gently towel dry your hair. Avoid vigorous rubbing, which can cause breakage. You'll immediately notice how soft and manageable your hair feels. Style your hair as you normally would and enjoy the enhanced shine and reduced frizz. For the best and most lasting results, incorporate the Karseell Collagen hair mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Your hair will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.